India and South Korea just made a deal that changes how we get our fuel. As you know, India has always depended on multiple countries for its oil and gas. The problem is that supply chains break down, prices spike, and we have no say in it. Now, India and South Korea have signed a joint statement on energy security. What this means is that both countries will make sure fuel keeps flowing to each other no matter what is happening in global markets. India will continue supplying naphtha, which is basically a raw ingredient used to make petrol and plastics, to South Korea. And South Korea will send petroleum products and lubricant base oils back to India. But here is the bigger part. Both countries are now looking at joining hands with other LNG consuming nations. LNG is liquefied natural gas, the fuel that runs power plants and factories. Right now, sellers set the price. Buyers like India and South Korea have very little bargaining power. Now this partnership changes that equation. And there is one more thing. Both countries are planning to build and modernize shipyards in India. Because if you cannot move fuels safely across oceans, none of this matters. So what does this change for you? Stable fuel supply means more stable prices at the pump, lower electricity bills, and fewer supply shocks hitting your city. India does not just need more energy, it needs energy it can actually count on. And that is exactly what this deal is trying to build. Follow for more stories that actually affect you or wallet.